Top stories. India witnesses best of key battles in the sixth phase of Lok Sabha elections. Manipur experiences warmest day so far in 2019, 31 to 33 degrees Celsius, during daytime predicted. Centre Manipur government should bring to public domain the protracted political issue on parting of Cabo Valley to Burma, demands MPDF. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA. And now let's have the news in details. India has witnessed the base of the key battles in the sixth phase of the Lok Sabha election 2019 today. There are 59 constituencies that went polls in 7 states. And the interesting about the sixth phase of Lok Sabha elections 2019 is its key candidates. The Lok Sabha election 2019 phase 6 was conducted in Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Haryana and Delhi. Complaints about malfunctioning EVMs pour in from several places of the national capital. According to sources, 5.5% EVM were replaced in the morning, adding that problems in EVMs were reported from Chandni Chowk and West Delhi. Delhi also recorded the slowest polling among 7 states. President Ram Nath Kovind, Congress President Rahul Gandhi, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi and External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj were among those who cast their vote. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, his deputy Manish Sisodia, Union Minister and BJP's Chandni Chowk candidate Harsh Vardhan, ex-cricketer and BJP's East Delhi candidate Gautam Gambhir, Congress New Delhi and North East Delhi candidates Ajay Maken and Salah Dixit also cast their vote. A number of people complained they could not vote as their name were not on the voters list. Over 1.43 crore people in Delhi were eligible to vote in this election, which will decide the fate of 164 candidates, of which 18 are women. There are 43 independent candidates. Total of voters turnout till 4 p.m. in West Bengal was 70.51%, Delhi 45.24%, Haryana 51.86%, Uttar Pradesh 43.26%, Bihar 44.40%, Jharkhand 58.08% and Madhya Pradesh 52.78%. West Bengal saw the highest 55.77 poll percentage according to information available on voter turnout app of the Election Commission. Incidents of sporadic violence were reported from Midnapur constituency of West Bengal. At least 4 Trinamool party activists had to be hospitalized after being attacked with sharp weapons, allegedly by BJP supporters. The condition of one person was critical. Meanwhile, a number of Saffron Party supporters got injured in the constituency Datan area following a clash with Trinamool workers. Manipur experienced a surge in temperature in the last few days, prompting health experts to issue precautionary measures to avoid dire health conditions related with extreme heat. Chandel and Jiribam districts recorded an unprecedented 40 degrees Celsius during daytime, while other valley districts of the state recorded 32 degrees Celsius. The Weather Department predicts the state will experience 31 to 33 degrees Celsius during daytime and 18 to 20 degrees Celsius during night for the next 5 days. Temperature will reach 33 degrees Celsius during daytime and 18 degrees Celsius during night on Sunday. Friday recorded the highest nighttime temperature in the past few days with 20 degrees Celsius. On Saturday, Chandel and Tangnopal district recorded 40 degrees Celsius, while Jiribam recorded 38 degrees Celsius. The Centre and Manipur governments should bring to public domain the protracted political issue on parting of Cabo Valley to Burma, the Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) has demanded. An agreement was signed between Gambhir Singh Maharaj of Manipur and British officer Major F.J. Grant and Captain R. Boyleo Pemberton in 1834 at Langthabal to give possession of Cabo Valley to Burma. Now, Myanmar MPDF Secretary Sapam Samungau told a press meet at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today. Flanked by Front Treasurer M. Nauba members Purnimasi and Santi, Samungau demanded that the long-drawn-out issue should be brought to public domain to clear the air on whether Cabo Valley was actually ceded to Myanmar or not. He cited historical account that Burma paid monthly money compensation of rupees 1,834 to Manipur King for parting Cabo Valley, which clearly shows that Cabo Valley was part of Manipur territory. Samungau also mentioned that then Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in 1953 handed over Cabo Valley to his Burmese counterpart, which is recorded in Kanglasha and Matamgi Manipur journals.
Cabo Valley si Lisingama Sanipan Kunthaga Marida, His Highness Maharaja of Manipur, Gambhir Singha, British ki Major Amaga, Rigi Captain Amaga, British ki Commissioner when a sign Taurmiba, Taiba, Point Sinadi, Cabo Valley, ase once upon time was part of Manipur. I was Manipur people knew from Grand Major Aduga R. Boyleo Pemberton Captain Commissioners of United Kingdom means British Aduga Manipur His Highness Maharaja Gambhir Singha Langthabanda January Tarik Kunga Mangada 1934 signed on the Taibadi Cabo Valley was part of the Manipur Sini Manipur when the Kitty Frangit.
Joining the rest of the world in celebrating Mother's Day in churches, Mother's Day was celebrated at Rongmei Naga Baptist Association Center Church, Imphal, RNBACCI, located at Langol Tarong. The event was also attended by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC President Gai Khangam and over 1,000 church believers from across the state who honor and pay tributes to Mother. Speaking on the occasion, RNBACCI former pastor Reverend L. Timothy Farmer stated that it is a day to honor the mothers and show them love for the sacrifice they make for their families. It is a day to pray for the mothers for their future endeavors since the nation needs good mother, he said. Gift and music were presented during the celebration as a mark of love and respect for mothers. And now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, rupees 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, rupees 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Artist khara lawzagadori Manipuri tele serial Nirupamagi damakta artist khara lawzagadori Thawai yauba nupa amasung nupi artist singna masagi photograph amasung biodata ga loinana Tom TV da pisinbiu akupa marol gi damak contact tobirau 8837265974 natraga 9402991938
Nirupama, Nirupama, Nirupama.
Welcome back. The proscribed UNLF has refuted the claim by security forces that one of the outfit cadres was among 7 cadres belonging to 3 different underground groups who were arrested on May 10. A statement of the outfit described the report a fake drama. Genius Mindtech Imphal felicitated El Linthoinganbi, 6th position holder in art stream in Council Examination 2019 during a function at GMT Class Hall of Hotel Yasna, MJ Avenue today. Managing Director of GMT, M. Nerezit, along with the parents, guardians and students of mid-brand activation classes, took part in the felicitation event. AMD of Genius Mind take M. Nerezit honor Linthoinganbi and presented books and monetary assistance to her. As Gunamani Y. Prem Chandra and Sanatombi also extended financial assistance to Linthoinganbi. M. Nerezit said that Linthoinganbi is a student of the weekly mid-brain activation program. He expressed his happiness on her success and gave wishes for her future studies.
Mazi mayangka manada babna kaino kanda yam nangna so horokpa masana paisa tanjaraga adagi masana hoda zaraga kogi gamel school tamaga tuition ama bak toraktana anda yam kanna khona zaraga parka darakpo sida mazi tu exam sida 6% fani lithonga bigi tungi punsida mana hoda di makai khona rakpa madamda akogi Genius Mindtech na angamba doctor magi award apa kunimok sai akoina Kudimok loi taugani sida natana Linthoinganbi natana akogi Manipur da leiriba khona jingba student aduga leita laira sumba mayamsu aide akoina khangba leiragadi moida angam mating akoina hek hingi mo kai pangani haba wafam si tamjagi.
El Linthoinganbi said that mid-brain activation classes gave her a lot of benefits. Hard work, being energetic and keeping reading habits are a must to become successful student, he added. She also expressed her gratitude to the organizer of the event.
I school that I'm a pangaba, more education kaya matambiduna, I knowledge hengat pinabada, hengat pa honabada, yamamating pangpi. Aduga, I 12 exams, Lura Matunda, like 12 exams, I say 6 position tare, Adubu, I isadi 6 position tarakani, Hina Honagibadinate, Adubu like Sida in a Yamna Pamzaba, Yamna Pa, but the Yamanuizaba, he's a taliga in Nuiba, Mapazaba. Almadi me mo oida bayade haibu consider aina like sik anapazaki adu matungda like ai exams haido matung sida ai 6 position like have say ai ishabok thajaki de adubu akoi oja mayam amadi Genius Mindtech ki oja mayam na aibu thogopiduna hojiksu sidai ngasi mak Genius Mindtech na aibu okpagi thoram am pangthokpiduna yam chawda maksu program am pangthokpiduna aibu okpagi thoram pangthokpibase ai yam nungai jai smai torokani haiba ai punsida bo khalude adubu torok mikopsidadi ai su yam nungai ba phawjai. Lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony for 9th batch of GNM students of Manipur Nursing Institute Tentha was held along with International Nurses Day at Nika Cultural Hall Tentha. The function was started with a dance performance. Floral tribute was paid at a photo of Florence Nightingale, the founder of Modern Nurse. It was followed by lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony for the Institute 9th batch student. Speaking on the occasion, former Minister M. Hemant lauded the efforts and sacrifices of nurses. The first meeting of the newly elected Standing Committee of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, was held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Office bearer of AMJU 2019 to 2021 was also appointed along with election of 2 nominees of Union President. For the first time in a decade, domesticated cattle died at Hautak Tamphakuno village under Kumbi of Bishnupur district in Manipur after an unknown disease spread in the area. However, our correspondent has learned that cattle death has reduced in the area after vaccination of cattle with money contributed by the locals. No assistance from the government of Manipur or veterinary department has been received so far, the villagers said. One Jumnam David, who gave the injection to the cattle, said he is not a trained professional. He said that government officials who noticed the situation did not provide any help or medicines to prevent the cattle from dying. The village is located about 4 kilometers from Kebul Lamjau National Park. David expressed concern that if the epidemic reached Kebul Lamjau, it will badly affect the sangai in the park. He urged the government to take the matter seriously.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯩ ꯈꯪ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛ ꯀꯥꯞꯍꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯈꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ
Smoke Social Maker Organization Kodongpokpi Mamang Development Association and local Merapaibis have jointly organized a tree plantation program in and around Kodongpokpi Mamang Lekai today. Official of Smoke Social Maker Organization Kongbrai Lakpam Prem Kumar said the program was conducted with an aim to help curb the global warming to a certain extent.
Kodongpokpi Mamang Awang Lekai sida koina ngarang dagi date 11 May 11 ngarang dagi hongna koina makal makha kaya gi program khara chatha jarakli haibadi khungang sida akoi gi nisa chasillaga thaksellaga akoi gi aremba matam haitare arembada nupi angang da harassment pibna singba nisana maram moraga tholokpa aduki matik laikre yamna koina kanna hairudragasu simu mayam si kanjaraga कोई निशागी ड्राइव मंगांग चथजई निशाबा इमाइबेन सिंग पुनमिनरगा बकाताना मफमसिदा निशासिनबा यारोय अदन कोइना फाइन चिंगबा अकंगनाबी कोइना थमदना कयामा कोइना मखाताना चिंजाकसी कामदनबा कोइ सुमाइना पाइखचरे अदुगा कोइ इलेक्ट्रिक पोस्ट सिंगसी कोइना मथंग मथंग मै मम्मगा लेबा जगा सिंगसी कोइ मै गाननबगी पांदम अमसो कोइना ngaraangdagi honajaraktana कोइ मै थानले अदुगा लोइना लोइना मखाताना कोइना संगजन जरकपा प्रोग्राम ओइना कोई मालेम की ओइना अइंग सागी खल कायरइबा सिगा मरी लेना अखोइना तुंगी लाकदइबा मिरोन सिंगी दमक्ता अखोइना अरे अरेबा युम युमदगी पुथोकजरगा उहै वहै हाइबा तारे कोई फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट दगी उ सार लौरुबसु लेते अदुगा अतोपा गवर्नमेंट साइड दगी कोई सि तौबियु हाइरमना सिंगबा कयमता हाइजरबो लेते कोइना इखुंगंग सिदा लेरिबे इरेकाई सिंगसिदगी उ सार कोई हाइनौ पाम्बी हाइरु कोथोंग पाम्बी थाइबोंग पाम्बी कोइना चाबा याबा हयेंग तुंगी मिरोन सिंगना आंगांग सिंगना लेहौरिबा मिरोन सिंगना चाबा याबा अदगी हवा नुंसितोरसु खरदंग ओरसु कंजबा गी पांदमगा लोइना खोइना कोइ उजा थाबगी ड्राइव सिंग असि नोमाइजिंग नुमिसिदगे कोइ चथजबा हौजरकली खोइना
A 7-day non-residential summer camp Explore organized by Overseas Point of Andro Parking has kick-started at Kuman Lampak Youth Hostel, Imphal today. Managing Director of Overseas Point, Sanjib Konsam, Director of the camp, Suras Guruaribam, and President of WIFE, World Immigration Consultant, Canada, Dr. Raj, were the main guests of the opening function. Altogether, 30 students from class 5 to 9 are taking part in the summer camp, where various activities like talk programs, sports, skill development, and games related to career planning will be carried out. Director of the camp, Suras Guruaribam, said the purpose of the summer camp was to provide the platform for the art of all-round skill development and improvement for the young students.
Magon lady skills me amse adu the skills lady hero platform phang dadi kai doba aduna school da tambiri se moru ina mai academic ngathane academic ta mai larik ta kamaina education gi matang na loina tambire however ma je schooling ma pan thola ga na natraga ma gi school gi classmates siga kamaina gel to bu khot pa haiwe je khoina sigi summer camp se torga khoina sigi platform se pi bane.
Let's have a short break.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Note iski oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college cha lakituna admission to bihoro akak na basigni.
Welcome back. Kaziranga National Park KNP will be closed for tourists from May 16 and likely to reopen after October this year. The development has been mentioned in an order issued by Eastern Assam Wildlife Division. It also mentioned that the park shut gates for visitors before the arrival of every monsoon.
Heard about the northeast. This is just an introduction for ourselves, but once we'll come back again, and then that time we will choose a particular place, maybe just only Manipur or maybe only Nagaland, and then this is our future plan. So it's beautiful anyway, and we met lots of people on the way, and our driver, and on the way we stopped and nice food, and we really like the food in Assam, the thali and everything. So it's a wonderful place really. So it is 1 week is not enough. So we like to come back again in the future.
Repolling for 168 polling stations for the Tripura West Parliamentary constituency, which started at 7 this morning under tight security, ended peacefully. Till 11 a.m., among the total of 1,41,251 voters, 31.52% voters had cast their votes, taking place across 8 subdivisions in 4 districts. The ECI had declared repoll after the opposition CPI, AIM and Congress alleged massive vote capture and rigging by the ruling BJP and also demanded a total fresh election. Both the parties had also knocked the door of the Supreme Court with a demand for total fresh election in this seat. The ECI has suspended several poll officials and changed the returning officer of the West seat and removed an additional Director General level official, besides taking new corrective steps for a repoll, including central paramilitary force deployed at all votes, massive movement of security forces, CCTV installation and continuous recording at the voting rooms. There were no reports of any malfunction of EVM, VVPAT or untoward incident from any part. Voting ended at 5 this evening. The Catholic Church in Sri Lanka has held the first regular Sunday Mass today since the Easter suicide bombings of churches and hotels on April 21, which killed more than 250 people. Military forces and police armed with assault rifles patrol the streets leading to churches and standing guard outside the compounds. 7 suicide bombers struck 2 Catholic and 1 Protestant churches and 3 luxury hotels on April 21. The Islamic State group claimed responsibility for the attacks. India and Vietnam have agreed to further strengthen cooperation in defense and security, peaceful uses of atomic energy and outer space, oil and gas and renewable energy, as Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today concluded his 4-day visit to Southeast Asian country. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express stage set for 6th phase of Lok Sabha polls. Islamic State claims province in India for first time after clash in Kashmir. Imphal sweats as temperature surge from last year. The People's Chronicle. Experts issue alert as heat wave hits state. World Migratory Bird Day observed at Tausem village. Outstation candidate rules cancellation of MPSC exam. Relief for graft-tainted officials as profs drag on. Imphal Free Press. State has sufficient pesticides to tackle fall army worm, says Agri Director. Civil service aspirants to file PRL against MPSC. Masons allegedly beaten up by doctors. KCP-MC alleges RIMS director of corruption. 9-month-old baby dies in road mishap. The Morning Bell. MPSC aspirants from outside demand reimbursement of travel expense. Lok Sabha election 2019. Focus shifts to last phase of polling as political biggies descend on UP East, Bihar, Jharkhand. Women vendors furious over dismantling of temporary market sets. NE likely to get India's first ever batch of Apache Guardian helicopter under Indian Air Force. Manipur Mail, Nagaland prepares for stare on inner line permit. ICAR trains state agriculture officials. Martin Luther Christian University spreads awareness on consumer rights.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. India witnesses best of key battles in sixth phase of Lok Sabha poll election. Manipur experiences warmest day so far in 2019, 31 to 33 degrees Celsius during daytime predicted. And Center Manipur government should bring to public domain the protected political issue on parting of Cabo Valley to Burma, demands MPDF. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.
Thank you.